Good morning, my name's Michael Judge, Head of Corporate Dealing here at OFX. Joining you on the Currency Couch for the day starting September 18th. The Australian dollar last week traded in a relatively tight band versus its US counterpart, topping out again at some familiar resistance levels of 80.50 versus the US dollar. Heading into this week, what will be a key juncture for markets, and certainly what will be a key pivot point again for the greenback, will be the US Federal Reserve, who meets overnight on Wednesday. Whilst its balance sheet has certainly ballooned in the post-GFC era, markets will certainly be keen with regards to any rhetoric in line with a balance sheet reduction towards the back end of this year. With markets only pricing in a 46% chance of an interest rate hike come the end of December, again, it'll be very much the direction of the US dollar, which will drive a lot of the G10 currency pairs this week. The AUD this morning opens, as I mentioned, in familiar territory, struggling to maintain values in excess of 80 US cents. Whilst the AUD is stagnant and somewhat neutralised versus the euro, the Aussie has, dropped by 3.5% versus the Great British Pound. Thanks for joining me.